Hello everyone, I'm Youtian Kang, and you can call me William. This video is to reflect on what I have changed after this course. Firstly, I am aware of the drawbacks of my assignments. For assignment 1, I don't get a good score as I predicted. There are several reasons cause that. The first one is the wrong structure. I should argue my perception directly, rather than ask a question and then answer it. Secondly, my memo also lacks a discussion of issues before giving a recommendation. Thirdly, I do more research on examples that occur in SDG reading or survey rather than the case itself. And last, I realize that my understanding of SDGs is still supervision. This situation has been improved in assignment 2. I gave all my view and solution directly with all necessary detailed information and the issue faced in the case. And I focused on the case itself and solved the specific problems by the framework and the knowledge I learned from this course. Thus, I have received better feedback which comments me a solid understanding of case and highlight and address value course concepts from the hobby. However, a sporting opinion become my main issue at this time. This issue indicates that I have still easy to get stuck to the subjectivism or impact by the halo effect. Those problems would avoid me to do complete critical thinking. I would try to remove my bias through the more critical thinking practice in the future. In addition, this lesson teaches me what is the ethical thinking, how to do an ethical decision, and why should I do it. For instance, after learning the knowledge of the ethical relativism and imperialism, I reflect on my attitude to others' culture. Before this lesson, I may do as the Romans do, but now I could never stand away and watch the people who are hurt by unethical decisions anymore. I realize that it is my obligation and responsibility to help them to define my ethical values. And ask, Porter introduced steps to do self-reflection. In my opinion, self-reflection is important for a lifelong learner because self-reflection is a necessary method to find the issue myself. And if I can realize the problem I have, I could deal with and then solve it. Furthermore, if I can improve myself through self-reflection all life, I would make such a big achievement in the ethical seeking and the SDGs. Therefore, self-reflection is a key part to improve me as a lifelong learner. In conclusion, I have improved my ability to do an ethic and a critical decision of 2 assignments. And I could do self-awareness, self-reflection, and self-regulation from a mistake, bias, and drawbacks. Otherwise, I would practice my ethical thinking more and mind my business responsibility to SDGs, in addition to the self-reflection all my career, when I become a marketing management after graduating from UNSW. That is all of my video. Thanks for your listening.